Palace Hotel here in San Francisco. Nandito ako ngayon sa loob ng Palace Hotel. Eto, pagpasok mo meron silang Giardella Square. Tapos, meron pa rin silang mga Christmas decoration. Ayan na. Tapos, eto yung Giardella Square nila dyan. Ang sarap mag-hot cocoa dahil napakalamig today dito sa San Francisco. It's too cold. I don't know how many degrees out there, but it's too cold. So, decided to come in. It's warm in here. Ang ganda ng mga ano nila, interior decoration. That mirror. Diba? Side by side yan. Ayan pa yung isa. Ang ganda ng chandelier nila. Ayan, look at that. At, tingnan nyo naman, diba? Hallway pa lang yan, ha? Meron silang nutcracker dito sa... Oh, they have Max Pearl? Maxfield. That's different from Max Pearl. Akala ko na meron silang jewelry store na Max Pearl kasi I've been buying gold jewelry from Max Pearl since 1994. Hindi pala Max Pearl, Max Fields. Oh, tingnan nyo naman yung lalagyan ng mail nila. Napaka-antigo. Look. Gorgeous. Tapos yung table doon, no? Ayun, no? Look at that table. Nice. Elevator nila. Oh, look at that concierge right there. Gorgeous. And look at that gorgeous stairs. Ang ganda ng stairs. Go ahead, sir. Thank you.
Look at.
Wow, gorgeous. I love this hotel. No wonder they called it Palace Hotel. Even the chairs. Look at the chairs over there. Oh. Para siyang it looks like a throne. Oh, yung mga plato nila, yung mga ginagamit nila. Look at that. Gold-plated or if not 24 karat talaga na yan yung rim ng plato at saka yung utensils. Ooh, gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, kita mo ang labi. Oh, look. Oh. Diba? Palasyo talaga. Palasyo ang dating niya. Nice. Look. They still have the Christmas tree in the center. Dito ayun yung buffet nila doon, no? Ayun. But look at that thing and all the chandeliers right there. Look at that interior decoration. Just gorgeous. Para akong nasa Paris. Alright. And then ang kanilang lobby. Ooh, dami pa rin Christmas North Pole Post Office. Diba? Ang ganda naman nito. Simply gorgeous. Alright, there you have it. At least nakita natin ang loob ng palace. Punta tayo doon sa sa Christmas tree. Ang laki ng Christmas tree niya. Ayun pa yan, oh. May entrance sila doon, yung Palace Hotel. Yeah. And then, may entrance din sila doon sa pinakita ko kanina. This is Market Street. Ayan yung F Market Street Rally yan. That's the Market Street, Main Street. Tapos dito naman, itong side na to, New Montgomery. So, two entrance to the Palace Hotel. New Montgomery and Market Street. I love that old building right there. Look how beautiful the design structure, right? And then that one over there too, both of them. That one has what you call this, a balcony with a lot of trees in on the roof deck, where people can go during their lunch break, or you can just simply go up there and enjoy the view of the city, have coffee, chat with your friends, or just simply, have moment of solitude. And that's right next to the Cracker Galleria Mall, right there. The Cracker Galleria Mall is, you go all the way inside, and then that arc right there, that's the Cracker Galleria Mall. And if you go inside and then cross all the way to the other side, there's a post office in there. That's where that's where I go to, mail and buy money orders and stuff, and send packages overseas. Yep. And then if you go straight, that's Market Street. Kanina, there's a green F Market Street trolley. Now that's another one, a gray color, because they come in different colors. Then that will go all the way down to the Perry Building, Embarcadero Street, all the way down. And then it will turn around and go to Fisherman's Wharf also. And then turn around again, come back here in Market Street all the way down to the end of the line, which is Castro. There you have it, guys. Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a very safe and jolly New Year celebration. Be safe always, and God bless to us all to this new year. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next vlog. And there's another one, a red F Market Street trolley. And I'm almost almost near to the Embarcadero Street Ferry Building Center, Ferry Building Marketplace, to the waterfront. Yun na yung kulay pula. O kanina, di ba, may green, may gray, and now red. Maraming kulay yan eh. Ang cute, di ba? Galing yan sa iba't ibang states. Like yung sinakyan kong kulay gray, refurbished yan eh. Tapos pinapadala sa iba't ibang state. Tapos pinadala dito coming from Chicago. Meron yung mga galing Minneapolis, Idaho, yung mga ganyan. Makikita mo yon kung saan yung origin nila nakasulat sa mismong loob. Sa mga window, nakasulat yan. Meron na namang magkakasalubong sila. At dito sa downtown San Francisco, maraming iba't ibang design na mga giant hearts. Nagkalat yan all over downtown. Ayan, one over there. Ang cute ng design, di ba? Let's take a closer look. Ayan. There you go. Ayun yung isang Ayan may isa pang darating. Ayun, kulay gray naman. Yung dumaan, di ba, pula. Ito yung subway. Embarcadero Street. Embarcadero Bart and Muni. Ayan na yung kulay gray. Ayun yung sinakyan ko. And And then yung building na yan, yung top floor na yan, awan ko kung penthouse yan or what, or office. Umiikot yan. That revolves 360 degrees. So ang ganda, makikita mo ang buong view ng Port of San Francisco, and then yung yung Bay Bridge. Ang ganda ng view lalo sa gabi. Syempre may mga LED lights yung bridge at saka yung ilaw ng port, yung sign ng Perry Building Clock Tower, yung Port of San Francisco. So ang cute niyan, umiikot yung pinaka top floor na yan. And then look at mga building dito, oh. Grabe, no? Ito naman, itong building na to, para siyang super thin na building pag nandito ka sa side. Pag tinignan mo, napakanipis. Ayan naman, napakataas. Grabe. O, diba? Ito, pag tinalunton mo yan, mapupuntahan mo, Fisherman's Wharf, tapos konting lakad pa sa kabilang side, going to your left, then North Beach, Little Italy, and then lakad pa ganon, Chinatown naman. Diyan ako pupunta sa Perry Building, right there. Yung parang, yung clock tower na yan. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda ng niya, no? Ng building niya. Tingnan mo naman yan, lamp pa lang yan, ha? Napaka-grandioso. Ganda niyan sa gabi. Siyempre, kitang-kita mo yung ilaw ng lamp. Like that. Fasad pa lang ng building, eh. Oh, tingnan mo sa loob pa, oh. Yung dalawang lamp post. Gorgeous. Ayan na ang Embarcadero Perry Building Market. Alright. Napakalamig. Grabe. Whew. Alam mo yung ang hirap mag-vlog, magsalita kapag sobrang lamig dahil masakit sa ilong, sa mata, sa kamay, hawak mo yung cellphone. Wala akong wala akong tripod. So nanginginig yung kamay mo, tapos hawak ko pa tong water kung mabigat dahil hindi ako naglalakad ng walang water na dala dahil laging umaatake yung anxiety ko. Parang hindi ka makahinga, tapos parang laging tuyong-tuyo yung lalamunan. And then ito yung, kumbaga yung pagka nadi-disoriented ako at kuminom ako ng tubig na malamig na parang kumakalma yung nerves ko. Nang gusto ko rin yan, yung bilog na yan, tapos all the way down there. Ang ganda, di ba? Tapos yung hilo ko on and off. Kanina ang lakas ng hilo ko. Kala ko nga uuwi ako dahil medyo syempre nakaka-nervous kapag ka nahihilo ka. Ay, tinan mo, yung kotse na walang driver, Waymo ang tawag dyan, Waymo, driverless car. Di ba? Lamig. Tapos nag-i-sniffle pa yung ilong ko, hirap kang huminga. Napakadaming tawag dito, yung parang hurdles that you have to overcome just so I can, get all these footages, makagawa ng decent vlogs para sa inyo lahat, at kasi gusto kong i-share kung anong itsura ng San Francisco para sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta dito na makakapanood nito. At least meron kayong mga idea kung pag dating nyo rito is alam nyo yung mga streets, yung mga itsura ng building, para kung matandaan nyo, ay ito yung nakita ko sa vlog ni ako, yung ganon. Tapos meron kayo idea kung saan magandang pupuntahan, di ba? At least hindi kayo yung parang fresh out of the fishbowl, as they say, na clueless, tapos parang biglang nasa isang foreign place na you don't even have any slightest clue or any idea where to go or what to see, what kind of place is like where mostly tourists go. So, and one of those tourist place that a must to visit when you come here in the Bay Area, we call San Francisco Bay Area, is this one, the Embarcadero Perry Building Marketplace. Diyan nyo rin makikita yung view sa likod, yung Bay Bridge, And of course, yung mga ferry boats na pwede nyo sakyan na magdadala sa inyo across the bay. Like Vallejo, Mendocino, Sausalito, Angel Island, Tiburon, and many more places across the bay. At yan din yung place kung saan Embarcadero Street ang tawag, will lead you to Fisherman's Wharf, Pier 39, and all the piers, and of course, the Girardelli Square, and the Ocean Avenue, or yung parang playa, La Playa, doon sa harapan ng Girardelli Square, kung saan every how to say it, Independence Day, maraming tao, they gathered over there and they watched the fireworks. Like last night, yung dito, di ba, New Year's Eve, dito yan sa dito, tong area na to, dito sila and around over there, and near Girardelli Square, maraming nanood dyan ng fireworks, but I didn't because it's too cold. Last night, meron kaming weather alert na parang magkakaroon pang frost something, at it will go down 40 something degrees, and I don't wanna risk it kasi mababa ang immune system ko. Ngayon nga 50 something degrees, pero nag-i-sniffle na yung nose ko. So how much more yung 40 something degrees last night, at napakalamig talaga, sobra. Ayan na. At itong plaza na to, marami nagtitinda rito, mga artisans, artists. Ayan. And then may mga ganyan, food truck, off the grid. Ngayon, konti lang sila. But usually, this area is like crowded. A lot of, different things going on. At marami kayong mabibiling mga cute stuff like that. Mga accessories, different kind of things. Interesting things. Tapos, dito sa sabilang side ko ito, yan yung Embarcadero Shopping Center. This area right here, they used to have a skating ring few years back, like by Christy Yamaguchi. Those, the Olympic skater. Yeah. That's where they held the ice skating. Just some trivia. And there's the Bay Bridge right there. Yep. Look at this painting right here. I'm cute. Look at that painting. That painting right there, that's very iconic. That's California Street. Right there. California Street yan. Kasi all the way down, makikita mo yung dyan. Yung Bay Bridge nga at the end of that street. Dito maraming nag-jog, nag-bicycle, tapos nag-skateboard dyan yung area na yan. Ganda kasi ng mga view dito along the waterfront. Embarcadero Street, ayan. Nakalagay yun. Ayan, Embarcadero Street right there. Ayan. Alright you guys, mahaba-haba na itong video na to. Dito ko na puputulin. I hope na enjoy nyo yung video, as simple as it is, but I tried my best. As I said, all those things that I mentioned, yung mga hindrances kung pag nagbablog ako. I'm a new blogger, so I'm trying my best to come up with, a good quality, at saka yung mga, how to say it, yung mga entry ko. Sana nagustuhan nyo at pagpasensyahan nyo na lang yung kung ano man yung mga tingin nyo is kakulangan. Along the way, syempre, matututo din ako. And thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Ayun, may another vlog doon. Nagbablog siya. Ayan. Diba? Alright guys, take care. And God bless. And Happy New Year again sa ating lahat. Ingat po tayo palagi.
Sorry, mayroon pa palang kasunod kasi mayroon pang ibang footage na gusto kong ipakita dahil mayroon namang kinalaman sa buong kabuuan ng vlog. So, here you go. And I hope na hindi kayo nainip or na-bored. Thank you for watching again. I appreciate your time. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly, subscribe para naman lumaki yung subscriber ko at lalo akong ganahang gumawa ng vlog. And I'm doing my best to come up with interesting
Perry Building. Ayan yung lumang itsura ng Perry Building.
Entries para naman magustuhan.
Nung mga
Alright, thank
kahoy
you so
pa lang
much
siya
again.
at mababa pa lang yung clock tower. At tsaka ano pa lang siya, parang one story pa lang siya. Ayan yung mga lumang ano. At tsaka noon talaga, tinan mo, mga galleons pa. Ngayon, mga ferry boat na, di ba? Mga, I don't know anong tawag sa ganyang klaseng boat. Mga steamboat, ayun, parang ganon. Noon, ang ferry boat, merong ano, freeway sa harap. Ngayon, wala na yan. Tinanggal na yan. Ayan yung isa sa pendulum mo ng lumang clock. Ayan yung mga ferry boat schedule. Papuntang Vallejo, Larkspur, Alameda Lagoon, Harbor Bay, Alameda Oakland, Tiburon, Richmond, kung saan-saan pa. Diba? Alright. Ayun yung mga ferry boat sa likod. Sarado pa yung mga ibang mga stores, iba-ibang mga stores dito. Yep, madami pang sarado. I don't know why. Anong oras na? Baga alas 2 na yata o baka nga going 3 na eh. Itong isa sa favorite coffee shop ko, Red Bay. And then ito Japanese restaurant na slash para siyang yung parang tinuturo-turo mo yung gusto mo. Pwede ka mag make your own bento box right there. May bookstore over there. Look at that. And then merong Spanish na kusina right there. There's the Bay Bridge right there. Banayad ang dagat. Alright. Ayun, may isa na naman oh. Iba ang kulay niya. Para siyang mint green or yellow green. I don't know. But I like that one right there. Papuntang Fisherman's Wharf yan. This whole street right here is the Embarcadero that would lead you all the way down to Fisherman's Wharf, and then at the end, the very end, will be Ghirardelli Square. That's the ferry building marketplace. Diba? That's the Trans-America Pyramid building here over at Leidesdorp, Clay Street and Sanson. Yung mga streets niya na malapit dyan. And then may nadaanan akong ngayon ko lang nakita rin Arabic coffee shop. Babalikan ko yun. Not today because I already had my coffee in the house before I left. I only drink once. Not unlike before, like 3 or 4 times sa Starbucks. Hindi na kaya, may hypertension na ako ngayon. So, at saka decaf na lang ang iniinom ko. But anyway, ayan yung pyramid building. Andun yung Arabic coffee na sinasabi ko. Trans-America Pyramid Building, and then meron silang park dyan na maganda rin, na maraming mga matataas na puno, and then may yun, restaurant yan, bagong restaurant na binuksan dyan sa ilalim ng Pyramid Building. And then pag nilakad mo ba to, kasi Clay Street to, all the way up is Chinatown. Ayun na yung Chinatown, Clay Street yan. Diyan sa Clay Street ako lagi pumupunta at may favorite ako dyan na Chinese restaurant na kinakainan ko ng mga chicken feet. Excuse the garbage bin. Tapos mga dim sum, mga hakaw, sesame balls, and iba't ibang mga dishes. At ang kanilang rice porridge na may century egg at saka ground meat. Ang sarap, murang-mura pa. Yan, Clay Street yon. Kasi Clay Street ang unang street after after Stockton, under the tunnel from Union Square doon. May tunnel na mahaba. Papasok kayo doon either underneath or over it. Either way, ang labas nyo is Clay Street. So, ayan na yung bungad ng Chinatown. Ay, nakikita naman eh. Alright. Tapos doon yung Perry Building sa dulo. Alright. Let's cross the street. Ayan yung Market Street. Sa dulo niyan, Market Street. Yung main street dito sa downtown San Francisco. So, pupunta ako ng papuntang Market Street. Look at that. Ang ganda ng ano nila, oh. Ang ganda ng lobby nila, ha? At ang ganda ng design ng kanilang Christmas tree. Nice. Diba? Very, tawag dito, luminescent. Para siyang ang ganda siguro niyan kapag gabi. Dahil tinaman nyo yung mga kulay nung deer. Gorgeous. Anyway, nandito ako sa Financial District ng San Francisco. Ayan pa yung Bakit kaya biglang to? Bakit ayun? Ayan yung Pyramid Building. Ayan, Financial District to ng San Francisco. There you go. Sorry na may mental block ako. Ang dami ko nakikita eh. Alam naman yung brain ko, ina-absorb lahat all at the same time. Pero gusto kong pumasok dito. Bukas kaya ito? Ay, sarado. Kasi after New Year eh. Ang ganda sana magpa-picture doon, no? Oh, well. Ganito na lang. Oh, ayan, kita rin naman eh. Ang cute. Ang ganda. Tataas na mga building dito.
Are you hungry right now? Tell me. Are you hungry? If you're hungry,
Alrighty. O, di ba sabi ko kanina, maraming nagkalat na giant heart na iba-iba ang design. Ayan o, nandito ako sa Financial District. First time ko tong nakita, tong design na to, ever. Ang tagal ko nang naglalakad kung saan-saan. Dito sa Bay Area, first time ko nakita tong design na gold, tapos may Bay Bridge, and then mga koi fish. Ang ganda, di ba? Buti naglakad ako dito sa loob ng Financial District. And then, nakita ko bagong design. There you have it. Another gorgeous facade of building. Look at that. Parang akala mo yung mga design sa St. Patrick Church eh. Ayan oh, ganyan yung mga design sa loob ng St. Patrick eh. Harapan pa lang ng building yan ha. Look at that. Napakaganda. Damn. Ang ganda. Akala mo cathedral ang design ng building na to. May mga gargoyles pa, oh. Wow, ang taas. Grabe. Pero gothic ang kanyang kanyang design. I love it. Yung mga ganyan, yung mga akala mo nasa Paris, London ka, or kung saan mang Spain. May mga gargoyles, no? Gargoyles, sorry. Gargoyles to din sa gargoyles. Oh, diba? At ang ganda ng Christmas decor nila. Look at that. Ooh, nice gold Christmas tree. Look at that. Oh, man. Ang ganda, oh. Oh, wow. Look at that. Ay, yung pinakatuktok ng Christmas tree. Ang ganda. Wow.
Alright, you guys, maraming salamat sa panunood ng medyo may kahabaang vlog. Ngayon lang ako yata gumawa ng ganitong medyo mahabang vlog kasi sinulit ko na talaga lahat, sinama-sama ko na lahat para kompleto sa Ricardo's. Para naman may, may kakaiba, di ba? At salamat sa oras nyo at kita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod na vlog. Take care, God bless, and happy, blessed, prosperous New Year to all of us.